Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The image shows a benzene ring, which is the parent aromatic compound. Moving on to the next step. Two substituents are present on the ring. A methyl group, CH3, attached at the top carbon of the ring. B. A nitro group, NO2, drawn as N+, with one O and one O attached at the carbon, that is meta 1,3 relationship to the methyl group. Moving on to the next step. In IUPAC nomenclature, the principal characteristic group or the substituent that gives the lowest locants is assigned position 1. The methyl group is given position 1 and the nitro group is at position 3, meta to the methyl group. And for the final step, with methyl at C1 and nitro at C3, the IUPAC name is 1-methyl-3-nitrobenzene. The common name is M-nitrotoluene. The meta relationship, two carbons apart on the ring, i.e., one carbon between them, is consistent with the structural drawing shown, confirming the name. Therefore, the correct answer is 1-methyl-3-nitrobenzene. The correct answer is shown on screen.